A beautifully false ceiling is also called a drop ceiling or a suspended ceiling. And the best ceiling is one of the most impactful elements in the modern interior designs. It can completely transform the look and feel of any room, like living room, bedrooms. There are some key reasons why false ceilings are so important, like aesthetically elevate the space, so which hides the ugly concrete slabs, beams, wires, ducts, and AC pipes, which gives a clean finish and luxurious look to our room. Also, it improves the room proportions, so lowers the ceiling height, visually makes large or high ceiling rooms feel cozier and more intimate. And also, it enhances the lighting design, so perfect for conceal lighting like curve lighting, recess, spot, LED strips. So you can select as per your requirement and as per your false ceiling designs. And profile lights create a mood and drama. Also, it reduces the echo and outside noise, especially useful in bedrooms, home theaters, and apartments. And it is thermal insulation, so create an air pocket that keeps the room cooler in summer and warmer in winter, which reduce your light bills. And also, they are easy maintenance and access, so conceals all wiring, plumbing, and electrical lines while still allowing easy access for repairs. Also, it increases the property value, almost mandatory in premium homes, office, and commercial place today. So you can found that many in house interior you will find the beautiful ceiling designs like gypsum false ceiling. It's become the most popular ceiling design. So friends, it has some beautiful advantages like which conceals the wires and ducts, superior lighting options you will get, and for acoustic improvement, reduces reverberations and external noise. Plus, thermal insulations can lower the room temperature. Easy to customize, so you can select any shape as per your requirement. And quickly installation, so usually completed in 3 to 5 days depending on the size. So friends, now we're going to discuss about the latest price in India for making the false ceiling designs. So for a gypsum board, actually gypsum false ceiling is the most popular false ceiling designs nowadays. In previous days, POP false ceiling was more popular, but nowadays gypsum has been increased dramatically popular. So actually, the price for making the gypsum false ceiling designs, the price starts from 80 to 90 rupees per square feet. So friends, in this price, everything is included like installation charges plus your material price. So everything is included in this price. But for lighting, you have to pay extra. So I'm not including the lighting price. Only I'm considering about the false ceiling designs. And also for painting, you have to pay extra. So let's suppose your ceiling size is 10 by 12. So the total area of the ceiling is to 120 square feet, so you have to multiply this 120 into 90 rupees per square feet. So the total cost will come around 11,000 rupees for 10 by 12 ceiling. So this is the way you can calculate that how much it will cost. So friends, there may be a little bit of price changes due to the location wise. In some areas there is 100 rupees per square feet to 120 rupees per square feet. So you can check out as per your local contractor. So friends, if you want more details, you can ask me in the comment section regarding to the price and which brands are available. And for a gypsum false ceiling, there are the top 2, 3, 4 best brands are available like Ziprock, and another one is Armstrong. So third one is the Shera, fourth one is USG Boral, fifth one is Zipcore. So choose based on room, Gyprock for versatility, Armstrong for acoustics. So you can select as per your requirement and as per your budget. So friends, for a beautiful false ceiling designs, we require a beautiful fans, because ceiling fans are not just a functional, because they play a huge role in the overall false ceiling aesthetics and performance. So in this video, I'm going to share some best fan designs and best quality fans like Attenberg BLDC fans. So friends, and another one is Havels. So you can check out my description for the latest price, and for a budget friendly option Orient is the best one. So you can select as per the ratings and as per your requirement and as per the designs. So friends, if you want more details regarding to the false selling or any, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can contact through my mail ID which I given in the description. So friends, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel, share this video with your friends, like this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again. We will see in the next video.